Hey guys, we're going to be going over a hip flexor stretch called the hurdler or lunge stretch. So we're going to start by getting down to lunge. The side that we're going to put down kneeling on the ground is the side that we're stretching, okay? For some people who have a lot of knee pain, feel free to fold up a towel a few times or take a pillow under the knee so it can give you a little support so it's not so painful to kneel down on it. But we're going to leave the foot flat. And then what we want to do is squeeze this glute. A lot of people want to do this stretch to just come forward and arch their back. This is what we want to avoid. You're not getting a stretch and you're actually going to irritate your low back. So you're going to start by squeezing this glute, which is going to tilt the pelvis so we get a better stretch here. And then you're going to lunge forward. If you're squeezing, you're not going to be able to go too far without feeling some kind of stretch here or down the thigh. So this is a stretch. Anytime you do a stretch, you want a minimum of 2 minutes under tension. Now 2 minutes is hard to hold sometimes, so you can do 30 seconds off or 45 seconds off, then go back into it. You want to add to a minimum of 2 minutes. Anything over 2 minutes is highly encouraged. So when we're in this stretch, if you want to make it a little bit more difficult, you can extend the wrists and reach up overhead, and you'll get a little extra stretch from the upper part of the other hip flexor muscle there. If you do want to take this a step further, we can make it harder to a couch stretch, which will put anything from a couch to a chair, a bench, anything of that nature, and you're going to get your foot up. The higher your foot, the deeper the stretch is going to be. So you can put your foot up against the molding a little bit lower and work your way up. But since we have this flexed like this, you're going to be pulling on the quadricep muscle. So we're going to be doing the same thing. Tighten this glute, and you're going to lunge forward. Again, if you need the pillow or the towel, feel free to put that underneath. And again, hold it for a minimum of 2 minutes. You can do longer, and definitely do both sides. Give it a shot. If you have any questions, let us know.